So today I'm unboxing the winter FabFitFun box. I am super excited for this box. Let me go into what I got in my February, where am I? In my fall FabFitFun, and we'll review those products. I actually don't have too much to show you because I will tell you. First, I got my little pamphlet out, or magazine. I got this scarf, which I actually gave to my mom as a gift, and she said she absolutely loves it. It feels soft, it's cozy, she loves the colors of it, so I'm glad that she was able to use that. I also received the lunch box, which I will show again a picture here. I have that actually upstairs in my bedroom. I have it on my dresser, and I kind of have my daily like deodorant, perfume that I'm trying to use up, and a couple of hair products that I keep kind of in it, and it just sits there. It looks nice. I like it. I just didn't want to bring it down here, so I got that, which I absolutely love. The third thing, let's see. I'll show a picture of this. It's up in my bathroom. Is the hair towel, which I love. I got it. I've had them before. I've used it. I think it is absolutely wonderful. Oh, I should have brought this down. Oh my gosh, I brought nothing down. This, I'll show again a picture of the Better Skin Company Lava Mask. This is a skin exfoliant. I have used this quite a bit. Probably half of the tub is gone, and it just came in a little tiny tub, and it is wonderful. I would consider repurchasing it. I think it is a little abrasive on the skin. It's not super gentle, so I have to kind of be, you know, very light-handed when I'm scrubbing it on my skin, just because I have very sensitive skin, but I feel like it does a very good job exfoliating, and that retails for 32 bucks. So did I even tell you the price of everything else? The hair wrap retails for 18, the scarf retails for 75, and the lunchbox retailed for 30. So then fifth, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the fifth thing I got was this roller ball. This is the Aromatherapy Associates London Deep Relax or something. I can't smell it. It is good. I used it a few times. I usually put it on the back of my ears and on the back of my neck sometimes, and on my wrist, and kind of sometimes on my nose, just to kind of give the smell. I like this. I think it was good. I didn't notice a huge difference in it as far as, oh, I felt calm, but I really wasn't paying attention to it, but I really like it. I like that I have it. I'll definitely get use from that, so cannot complain. All right, the next thing was this lotion that we received. I love it. I did not use it very much, but the smell is absolutely wonderful. It does go on your body and have a harder time rubbing in. It's one of those creams that you feel like you're rubbing it in forever, especially if you do it after you get out of the shower. I feel like then it takes especially a long time, which I don't typically like, but I do like the scent enough to keep it and hold on to it, and so I will definitely get use out of it. I will post a picture of these what's it called? Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. I use these. I don't know if mine dried out or if they are supposed to be as hard as they were, but I tried using it and it was hard to rub on your body. It kind of just pulled and didn't crumble into a sugar scrub. So I don't know if mine are just dried out. It just didn't make it very fun, or I didn't like using them. So I probably will pass the remainder of them to my girls to play around with, whatever. I just thought they were too abrasive, so I won't use them, unfortunately. And then the last thing was, I'll post a picture of the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I didn't get a chance to try this yet, so I don't know if it's good. If I end up trying it in the near future, I will definitely update whether I like that or not. All right, so that was the fall box. Let's get into the winter box, which I love the box. It is so pretty. I love these colors. They're like my favorite colors ever. So This box was interesting. I got it a lot earlier than I've gotten my boxes. Usually I'm one of the last people to receive these boxes, and I feel like they're just now getting shipped out. So I'm happy to be one of the first, or I feel like one of the first. But we got the magazine, which I will just open to be able to talk to you about the products that I got. Some of them I did choose. I feel like this box was very light. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Let me know what you think of this box. It felt, excuse me. It felt like we didn't get very much. I don't know. Let's get started. I'll have the ending total of what this box retailed. Well, it retails for 50 bucks, but I'll have what, not retailed, it costs 50 bucks, but I'll have the total retail going up right here as we go. So the first thing that I got to choose was the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Condition and Restore, Revitalize, and Restructure. I believe this is a moisturizing cream, which again, I love getting. I get very dry skin in the winter especially. And I do really like her products. I think they're really great. I haven't had anything that I haven't liked or enjoyed. So it seems like a very thin consistency. It's not a very thick moisturizer, but it's not gel-like. So I think I will really like this. And this retails for $65. So a good value, definitely pays for the box. All right, the next thing, let's see, number 2. What's number 2? Oh, so when I filled out the choice, I know I chose, okay, I won't get into it. I think they changed the choices. After the first few people chose, they came back and changed some of them. So I don't know how that worked out, but I ended up getting the Bando Bluetooth shower speaker, which I am actually really happy about getting this because I know my daughter really wants a speaker in her shower, and she keeps bringing her Alexa in the bathroom, and I hate that she does that because she unplugs it and then plugs it in there, and I'm afraid it's gonna get, you know, moisture in it. I don't know. So this will be a good way for her to have it. Plus it has flowers and it's pink and it's pretty. So I'm hoping that she will really, really enjoy this. So I picked this, and this retails for $30. All right. The next thing that I got was, let's see, what was the third choice? A bracelet, lashes, mask. So I don't remember picking this, but I guess I did. This was the Radical Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. So it sounds interesting. It sounds like I'll probably really like it. It sounds makeup-y, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's pretty. It's definitely pink. Let me try swatching it. So, illuminating glow. Oh, it feels really nice. You're not going to be able to see it. It feels really soft. Definitely has a smell, and I can smell it because I'm calling stuff up, and if I can still smell it. I'm actually really excited about this. I was actually at first kind of like, I don't think I chose this, but I really like it. I love the smell. The fact that I can smell it through all this going on is a good in my book. So there's that, and that retails for $55. Wow, that's expensive. $55. All right, the fourth option that we could pick, I picked the Beauty Bakery Pudding, Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. So I haven't tried much from this brand. I have one lipstick that I don't even think I own anymore. And I know Emily Noel talks about her face palettes a lot, or their, I don't know if it's a her, their face palettes a lot. So when I saw this was a choice, I really wanted to try it. Not that I need any eyeshadow palettes, believe me, but this looks like a very nice, warm, neutral palette. There is no mirror, which again, I don't really mind, but it has really nice colors. I'm super excited to try this out. I think it looks really nice. There's no smell, at least that I can smell of right now, but I definitely will get use out of this. I am super excited to own this. I love getting eyeshadow palettes, especially eyeshadow palettes of brands that I have heard of and know. I like that. I mean, I like indie brands too, but I definitely like getting brands that I have heard of and know and they're around. And that retails for $38. All right, the next product that I got that I know I did pick. I did pick. And it is the Color Switch by Vera Ivona. I've had one of these before and I actually ended up throwing it out. I got a new one off of Amazon that I do not like. I'll have that in my new Amazon video coming up. So I'm happy to have this because I don't like that one and I wanted a new one. So I like these to help change the colors of my eyeshadow as I'm using them and to clean the brushes off in between washing. So I like that. That retails for $16.99, which I think is expensive. I think you can get the Vera Ivona, I think Mona, on Amazon for like $8 or $9. So that seems kind of high, but I could be wrong. The last choice that we got, I don't think we got to actually choose, if I'm right. I think the 6 was going to be a surprise. And what I got was this Cuccio Somatology Yoga Ha Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash, which I cannot tell you, I am happy to have this. I love body washes. I love Epsom salts. So has lavender in it, which I love lavender. So I am so happy to have this. This retails for $40, $39.95. So that is kind of a lot for such a little bottle. The next 2 products everybody received in their box. The first thing is the Makeup Eraser Original. So I'm hoping this is the big size. It looks like it, which I already own one of these, and then I got one like half size in an Allure box pretty recently. And yes, it's a big size, which I love these. I think these definitely do work. I'm super excited to have another one because I hate how you have to clean them so often. So when you only have 1 or 2, I feel like I go through it fast. They're so soft. All you do is use water to take your makeup off, and it really does take makeup off. I don't wear waterproof mascara. I've heard that it doesn't do very well with that, so I can't tell you about that, but this does work really well with just normal mascara and eye makeup and stuff. So love this. Happy to have that. That retails for, I believe, $20. Yes, $20. And then the last product that we got, I guess this is a good box. I don't know why I was thinking there wasn't that many products, but the thing was I did pick slippers, and I picked, which you could have gotten the slippers according to this. You could have gotten the slippers or the speaker, and I know I picked the speaker, the shower speaker, and I know I picked slippers in a different one. That's why I said they must have changed something. So I was kind of disappointed I didn't get the slippers, but it's all right. The last product is from Dry Bar. It is their Prep Rally Prem and Prep Detangler, which is awesome for my hair that is curly and nappy. And my daughter also has hair a lot like mine, and she definitely needs something like this. So this will definitely get, I'm sure, used up within a month because it will. But it says it's for protecting up to, is it for heat styling? This lightweight detangler uses biotin, B and C and the sea berry oil to protect the hair against heat and leave hair soft and conditioned. So I wonder if you have to, if you use this only if you're using heat. Can you use it just if you're using it for a detangler? I don't know. That's probably what we'll use it for, because I don't let her really heat style her hair, and I don't heat style mine, so I always get confused on that too. So anyways, that is everything in my FabFitFun. Let me know what you think of this box. Do you like it? Do you get it? What are your choices? Have you used any of these products, and what are your opinions? As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.